Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid again, guys. If your printer HP LaserJet Pro M28w and if it's showing ER11, what is the issue? This ER11 error means that printer is not recognize the ink cartridge. Like if you will see, I will show you. This guy place a new toner cartridge, okay, and the issue is with this cartridge that is not recognizing well. So to show you how to fix it, simply you have to fix this memory. This is a chip, ink chip. It's moved a little aside, okay. Just fix it well on the left side and then fix back toner again and you will see. Now you can see, guys, there is no more E11 error. Printer is ready to copy. Just print copy button here and it will start copy. Thank you for watching. All the best.